Hi, you guys, it's Melanie, and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. Well, in today's video, we are going to decorate a tablescape for the fall. This is actually some footage that I forgot to upload for you guys, so I wanted to share it with you now as you start to prepare your home for the fall. This is actually a space that I was designing for a male client. And so I purchased these two table scarves on Amazon.com, and I wanted to see if it would look better with or without the two scarves. And so I ultimately, once I put them both on the table, I felt like it was a little bit of an overkill. So after playing with them a little bit, I figured out they just weren't giving what they were supposed to be giving. It was just a little bit too extra for me. So, with that being said, I decided to remove that scarf and just go with the one scarf because it was an overall better look and better feel for what I was aiming for in the look for my client for his eating kitchen. And so as we continue on, I'm going to share with you guys some items that I hauled from Amazon for this fall tablescape. Lots of fall decor, pumpkins, candles, you name it. And we did it with the blues and golds, neutrals, and white. So stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy. And I will leave a shopping list down in the description box below for you guys to check out. So stay tuned. Okay, so once I decided that we would go with the one scarf, the reason I like these versus runners, they're a little bit lighter, they're lightweight, not as heavy. So I do like these, and it's blue, so it's a little bit masculine in that retrospect as well. So I wanted to make sure that it was even on both sides of the table, and so it took a little bit of an adjustment there because it is that chiffon material, so it will move on you. I also like using these for weddings and baby showers on the farmhouse style table or the wooden tables because it adds that little pop of elegance and sophistication without it being too heavy or too overwhelming. So I do like that as well. So keep that in mind. Now, this would probably fit over up to like a 12-foot table comfortably and still have some room for it to kind of drape over. But when you're ordering these, please look at the length of the actual table scarf and the length of the actual table, because if it is a farmhouse style table, typically it's going to be wider and a little bit longer. So keep that in mind as well. So the next thing we're going to do is to unbox some items that I picked up from Amazon. I absolutely love these. I love them because number one, they are dual purpose. These are some candles, and I went back and ordered more of these, and you will see them in some of my upcoming wedding and events. You guys know how much I love my gold scissors. They're just really pretty, and yeah, I just love using them to open up my packages too. I don't know if these are my gold one or my rose gold ones, but these candles are so pretty, you guys. So absolutely gorgeous. Again, these are multifunctional. You can use them in your home. You can use them for weddings or events. You can use them for so many different things, and I just absolutely love them. Now, at this point, I am going to speed this up just a little bit more so that we can go through the decor process. So I'm going to give you guys some music for your listening pleasure. there you have it. The fall tablescape is complete. I absolutely love the way that it turned out. I love the fact that the candles are tall, but they aren't really obtrusive in terms of the view. You can still see through them. And then once the fall is over, he can remove the pumpkins and leave some of the candles in place. And then at Christmas time, he could also replace the pumpkins with ornaments, or he could leave just the candles as they are. So I absolutely love the way that it turned out. The items from Amazon were definitely spot on. My favorite aspect would definitely have to be the candle holders and the plates, the salad plates. They were just gorgeous. We did use the plain white plates because I wanted something that he could use year round, and I just wanted something that he could use over and over and over again. So here is what it looks like from this particular angle. The wall art that you see up on the left hand side, um, I got that from Home Goods. The curtains were already in the house when he moved in, so I left those there. And then the other items that you see is a combination of Amazon and the Dollar Tree, literally. The chargers and the white plates, the chargers and the wine glasses, of course, were from Dollar Tree, and the other items were from Amazon. So I love the way that it turned out, you guys. Let me know your favorite aspect of this design as well by leaving a comment down below. I'm going to give you guys kind of an overview of the table, all of the cutlery. I love the modern cutlery, and it also came from Amazon. I also have this in my home as well because you could use it for your head table for weddings and events. So, I love things that serve a dual purpose because you get more, for your investment. So this is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this fall tablescape. Please turn on your notification bell as I will be uploading more fall content very, very, very soon. Thank you guys so much for all of your continuous, unwavering support. I love you guys so, so very much. If you're interested in joining me in Lux Academy, be sure to visit me at luxacademy.podia.com. I train and certify event designers, decorators, planners, and professionals. I'll see you guys at the next video. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!